The West Virginia TSA Conference marks the beginning of the official TSA season, the beginning of spring, and the beginning of new friendships.
The Technology Student Association is a co-curricular activity that focuses on the importance of STEM education, meaning science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Since TSA was started in 1978, over 2 million student members have been able to participate in challenging competitions, leadership opportunities, and community service.
By competing at the state conference, you get to represent your school at the state level. If you win, you get the chance to represent your school at the national conference by competing on the national level.
So many competitions to choose from and compete in, you will never be bored. But, in case you have some spare time, Cedar Lakes has plenty to offer.
Become a part of something bigger than yourself. TSA.
Learning to live in a technical world.